Nearly 1 in 5 are current e-cigarette users, and that might not even tell the whole story.
Right, and the popular Juul brand is so appealing to them because they have a sweet flavor and they're easy to hide. But they can also be more addictive than traditional tobacco products. Nina Gregerson is with Public Health Madison in Dane County. She's here this morning to let us know what parents should be doing to stop this trend. Good morning.
Good morning.
For me, I didn't know what these things were, but you see them everywhere. I mean, they're in gas stations everywhere. For folks like me who don't know what these are, what exactly are they?
Yeah, so e-cigarettes are battery-powered devices that give users nicotine and flavoring products. So you inhale the device and it delivers nicotine and other flavors to the body.
And they're pretty easy to conceal.
Yeah.
I mean, look how small they are. They look like they're a computer part.
Yeah, they come in different shapes, sizes, and more recently, the Juul is what's becoming more popular among young people.
Yeah, and we're hearing more and more about it, it seems like, Nina. And you were just telling us during the break, too, that this 1 in 5 may not be a clear indication or a total picture of what is really happening here in Dane County with these.
Totally. So depending on when students took the survey last school year depends on how popular these products were at the time. So these products became popular around November, December of last year. So if they took the survey before then, it might not have captured the full use.
Yeah.
You guys are out with a new campaign about this. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we're actively reaching out to all Dane County schools right now to ensure that staff are properly trained to identify these products and to talk to students about them. And we're also reaching out and doing campaign around educating parents as well.
Obviously, there's a need there. I mean, can you talk a little bit about, I mean, you would think that if you're seeing these all the time that you might know what's going on with them, but that might not be the case, you're finding.
Yeah, what we're hearing from educators around the county is they don't even know what these devices are or what they look like. So it's really building that knowledge and skills on how to identify them.
You know, and in the past, I feel like we've seen public campaigns around smoking that shows how uncool it is. Do you think that there's a perception that this is cooler among kids?
Totally, and that's what we're hearing from kids too, is that these products are safer and that they're basically harmless and they won't cause those same diseases or death like cigarettes do.
Sure.
The problem with that is these products are fairly new, so we just don't know the long-term effects, and that scares us in public health.
And regulation still is kind of up in the air as well. I mean, cigarettes are so heavily regulated, but these not so much.
No, not at all. So you do have to be 18 to purchase them. We do have that, thankfully, but they do come in a variety of kid-friendly flavors, and they aren't required to list the correct ingredients in them. So we really don't know what's in these products.
Kind of scary, and a lot of good information there, though.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, important stuff. All right, your time right now is 6:17, and you don't have to drive very far to be in peak color territory here in Wisconsin. Chris Reese, though, is going to let us know why those